Here's the top things to know about the Festool KAPEX. Number one is the precise angle finding system, which is right back here. To unlock the saw, you pull this lever up here, and you've got a dial for positive stops at 0 and both 45 degrees, just to 45 degrees, or all the way up to 47 degrees. And now the saw will freely move back and forth, and you can use this knob to micro adjust to the exact angle you need, and then lock it in place. And the second important feature to know about is this green lever right here, which you can push down into place to create a precise depth that your saw won't go past. And you can adjust that depth by twisting it to the right or to the left to bring the saw blade up or down. And the third feature to point out is this green switch right here. And it's called the fast fits. And when you push it in and turn it to the right, it locks your blade, making it really easy to take the bolt out and change your blade. And the fourth feature is that it cuts all the way up to 60 degrees on the right and 50 degrees on the left. They've also made it really easy to find half degrees with these green marks right on the saw. And the fifth thing to point out is right back here, they have a variable speed control. The chart here on the side, which will tell you the different blade speeds you need for the different materials you'll be cutting. And the last thing to point out is this button right here, which when you push it, turns on the dual laser system, showing where your blade is cutting on either side. And you can use these guides here to adjust your lasers exactly where you want them.